So day 6 in the morning broccoli. This one, because it looks quite sparse at the moment, it will grow out. It's not using as much water as some of the other seeds that you'll notice in the other videos. So I'm going to leave that one because it's wet enough. And as you can see from the side, it's going towards the light. I'm just going to put that back and leave it and just check in daily. So from now on, it's a case of every morning and every evening just checking in like you would when you come down in the morning, whether you've got kids to feed, cats to feed, yourself to feed, you know, sort of daily things that we do, make a cup of coffee, just check on the plants, play them with a little bit of music. And just check in and move them around. So if they've gone over to one side, you can move them around and then they'll come back. And do that in the evening as well, depending what lights come through and the temperature. I will be making some troubleshooting videos, but that is broccoli.